Some of the challenges that we all have to ask.
Akiaria arithingira-ini wa iragi, President Kenyatta augite he bata wa guthurima keri kandarathi iria ciikiraniirwo kiara gatagati ga thirikari na athondeki kiumbe ya hinya wa thitima, kuona ati kandarathi iria irahuthika gwa kahinda gaka ni cia gutongia andu kiumbe no ti guteithia bururi.
Ask ourselves, are we also negotiating with our independent power producers in a transparent manner? Because it is true. I believe that there has been a lot of cloud in that particular manner, resulting in us signing agreements that have cost this country heavily.
Kabuni ya uthondeki wa thitima KenGen nayo ni thingatitwo igarurire uruti wayo wa wira nginyagia ituike ya kuguna bururi mugaro na uria kabuni ino itavanagia wira wayo.
Issue of whether they are competitive. That was a key question I heard being raised here, or whether they are just transferring their inefficiencies to the general public because there is no competition. I think that's a challenge you people should take up.
Onjorithia kiumbe nao ni moritio marire mitaratara miega iria igutigirira mawira mao ni maraguciriria onjoria kuma thiini wa bururi nigetha bururi unyihie mbeca iria uhuthagira kugura indo kuma nja ya bururi oro hamwe na kurangira na kugitira mawira ma Kenya.
If we are not going to be globally competitive, if you are just going to fatten your bottom line, hey, we live in a globalized world. People will buy their products from other countries. So we need to start saying, are Kenyans buying goods from China? Why are they? Why are they not buying your goods?
Mucemanio-ini uyu na anyitite migurani thiini wa uthondeki wa thitima nikuo President aniriire ati thirikari yake iri na wendi wa gutigirira Kenya othe mari na thitima oro hamwe na kuongerera raini cia thitima iria iguteithiriria hari gutambia hinya wa thitima. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Helen Maina.
And this is not going to be a government